So what I enjoy most about media production is getting to work with my hands to create something from the ground up and then getting that instant feedback to your work. Now, what hasn't changed are the principles and practices that make for more effective presentations. Composition and framing matters, lighting matters, great sound absolutely matters, and the ability to tell a story that is meaningful and impactful should be your #1 goal. That is why our Introduction to Media Production course covers the basics of camera work, lighting, sound, and editing, along with the process that is required to make this happen. Our students learn by getting to use professional-grade equipment. Our course emphasizes experiential learning through hands-on activities. We learn individually as well as in teams to create a variety of production formats. So whether you have some skills or no skills at all, but have a passion for learning, this course is for you. Our faculty, who have years of professional experience, are here to teach you everything they know about production basics to help you achieve your creative vision. The production course is our foundational course in our curriculum. You will get the basic skills and the confidence you need to advance in the program, as well as give you the saleable skills needed in the professional world.